SharedFlow is a powerful component in Kotlin Coroutines that enables hot flow broadcasting. It allows you to share values among multiple collectors simultaneously, making it essential for scenarios where you need to broadcast data to multiple parts of your application at the same time. SharedFlow is a hot flow that broadcasts emitted values to all active collectors simultaneously. Unlike cold flows that start producing values only when collected, SharedFlow is always active and ready to emit values. Any collector that subscribes to it will receive the values being emitted at that moment, making it perfect for sharing live data streams across your application. Understanding the difference between hot and cold flows is crucial. A hot flow, like SharedFlow, emits values regardless of whether there are any collectors listening. It's like a radio broadcast that transmits signals continuously. On the other hand, a cold flow starts emitting values only when someone collects from it. It's like a video on demand that only plays when you press the play button. Creating a shared flow is straightforward. You use mutable shared flow with a type parameter to specify what kind of values it will emit. In this example, we create a mutable shared flow of integers. You can also expose it as a read-only shared flow to prevent external modification, following the principle of encapsulation. This way, only your class can emit values, while others can only collect them. SharedFlow offers 3 important configuration parameters. First is replay, which determines how many previously emitted values will be replayed to new collectors when they subscribe. Second is extra buffer capacity, which sets the buffer size for storing emitted values. Third is on-buffer overflow, which defines the strategy to handle situations when the buffer becomes full, such as suspending, dropping oldest values, or dropping latest values. To emit values into a shared flow, you call the emit function inside a coroutine. The emit function is a suspend function, which means it can be paused and resumed without blocking the thread. In this example, we launch a coroutine and emit 3 integer values, 1, 2, and 3. These values will be immediately broadcast to all active collectors. SharedFlow truly shines when you have multiple collectors. Here we have 2 separate coroutines, each collecting from the same SharedFlow. When a value is emitted, both collectors receive it simultaneously. Collector 1 prints the value with its identifier, and Collector 2 does the same. This demonstrates the broadcasting nature of SharedFlow, where one emission reaches multiple destinations at once. Let's recap the key points about SharedFlow. First, SharedFlow is a hot flow that broadcasts values to all collectors simultaneously. Second, you can configure its replay, buffer capacity, and overflow strategies to suit your needs. Third, it's perfect for event broadcasting and state sharing across different parts of your application. Finally, multiple collectors can receive values at the same time, making it ideal for scenarios like real-time updates, event buses, and shared state management.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.